See, there's a little scratch there.
Oh,
See a
so
little,
it.
yeah, close your eyes. See the little scratch there? Okay, I see it. Okay, let's look at the goose again. You're going to let the goose go? We're going to run the goose down to the lake or what? Let's go to the lake.
I don't want to hurt her. She's the mama moving.
Yeah.
She's big.
Oh. Well, she's not making any noise.
She's blugga-dig-dig-dig-dig.
Yeah.
I pity her so much.
All right. Okay. We're following. I figured a goose would normally be making noise by now.
She was very, and then she was flip-flopping there, flip-flopping.
All right.
And then I heard it, and then I said, what is that? And then I look at, oh, you
All right.
are trapped.
All right. Well, you let her down and see if she goes for the lake. She'll know which way to go. Let her go.
Cannot even stand up.
She'll go. Is she in shock? There she goes.